ready-made garment sector is one of the biggest consumers of energy and had the highest number of work-related fatalities among the different industrial sectors in Bangladesh. Lighting is an important tool in attaining industrial sustainability. The generation of electricity is linked with environmental issues such as the impact on water quality, increased production of wastes, and increased industrial zones. Therefore, reduction in the use of artificial lighting is vital. From the history of human civilization and development of architecture, it is evident that daylight was the leading choice of people and designers of building illumination for most of the period. Architectural styles were also shaped by daylight. Technological advances in 18th century marked with introduction of steel and glass into architecture. Though artificial lights were invented, master architects developed an architectural style for 20th century based on environmental and social issues. Now see. Why are we concerned with daylight as RMG sustainability? It is simple. Wasting electricity carries global and personal health consequences. Burning fossil fuels like coal emits soot and other pollutants into our atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is emitted by many methods of generating electricity. An average of 1.34 pounds of carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere for every kilowatt-hour of electricity generated. All in all, natural lighting offers an array of long-term benefits that affect the overall health of RMG workers and our living world. Daylight strategies. 1. Building envelope. Glazed facade offers the maximum natural lighting, but careful consideration should be given about glare, overheating or larger cooling loads. 2. Room geometry. The ratio of perimeter zone to total floor area should be increased. The deeper the room, the poorer the uniformity of daylight. Our room will have more satisfactory daylight if the depth is so greater than the width and the depth does not exceed twice the height of the window head. 3. Windows. This strategy aims at utilizing sunlight through the size and location of windows. It should enhance the quality of light by using roof overhangs and by avoiding locating windows on the east and west side of the structure. 4. Shading system. The broad categories of shading devices are fixed shading devices. Depending on the physical forms, fixed external shading devices are basically of three types. Horizontal devices, usually in the form of canopies, long verandas, movable horizontal louver blades or roof overhangs, effective on southern elevations. Vertical devices consists of pilasters, louver blades or projecting fins in a vertical position, effective on eastern and western elevations. Egg crate or composite devices, combination of vertical and horizontal devices, effective in east, west, southeast and southwest elevations. Rectangular shading devices can be removable from window aperture. If correctly operated, devices of this type will not lead to an increase in artificial lighting energy. Movable shading devices can be used externally or internally. Control can be either manual or power-assisted. Can be automated to respond current radiation level or daylight. 5. Skylight. Horizontal roof light permits a uniform daylight and is 3 times more effective source of daylight than a vertical window. Proper consideration must be given when choosing orientation, placement, shape and glazing product for skylight. It should provide uniform diffused light and less visual hotspot and glare. 6. Atrium. Daylight can enter the building by the wall from transparent or translucent roof or from glazed ends and sides. There are different configurations of atrium. These are centralized, semi-enclosed, attached, or linear. 7. Courtyard. Open to sky or partially or fully covered courtyard permits to enter more daylight to surrounding spaces. This technique works well for tropical countries like Bangladesh. 8. Light pipe system. Light pipe system is affordable, high-performance lighting solutions that bring daylight into interior spaces where traditional skylights and windows simply can't reach. Sometimes called tubular skylights, light tubes, sun pipes, and even light tunnels. Green Architecture Cell. Department of Architecture, Bangladesh University of Engineering Technology organized a workshop funded by Shah named 11th Gray's Technical Workshop on Sustainable Industry. It is expected that the concepts and methodology presented in the workshop will help the participants to comprehensively understand and characterize environmental considerations of daylight technology that will help to realize the wide range of decisions that must be made as part of RMG design, construction and operation.